Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the rear door speaker on Mercedes W163. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that, and don't forget to subscribe for one new video every day. Okay, now we need to remove that cover right here with a prying tool. You know, we have that giveaway that month for those prying tools, or just a screwdriver. You need to pry it open, two clips hold it. Now we need to remove the cover for the airbag right here, because there is one bolt there. And now with a Phillips screwdriver, there should be two screws that you will need to remove right there. So you need to take them loose all the way. One is on the top side of the handle and the other one is on the bottom side of the handle. Okay, first one is ready, and now the second one. Just take them loose. Okay, this is ready, and next thing, there is one more screw right there, and we need to take this one off as well. And you need to pull this one out so you don't drop it inside and lose it. Okay, now there is a few clips that we'll need to remove like that, so you can see with a prying tool or with just a flat head screwdriver. If you're careful, you can start prying and pulling the door panel. Once we remove it, we'll show you where exactly all the clips are so you don't break them, because that's a very weak spot on that W163. But with a prying tool like that, it can save you a lot of headache. Okay, now right here you will need to pull, that's the door latch, the cable. You need to squeeze those in and pull it out. Okay, just like that. And now the cable for the door, what you need to do is pull out and then pull down and come out of the hole like that. And then some models have the light on the bottom, some don't, so you need to just pull it out. Okay guys, and this is the back side of the door panel, and you can see where the clips are. One there, there. Okay, 3 on the bottom and 2 on the front. Okay, that's where your door speaker is located, guys. And now with the three screws with Phillips screwdriver, you need to remove them. Okay, and as you can see, that's where they're located. It's only 3 of them, and the last one right there on top. So remove all those 3, and this one is making pretty bad noise when it's working, so we'll be replacing it with another one. We have another parts car, so we'll be using one out of it. And after you remove all the screws, the wire right here you need to press down, okay, right there, and pull at the same time. Okay, just like that. And that screw is still stuck on the insulation there. Okay guys, and this is the speaker right here, the door speaker. So that's how you remove it, and you just put it back together the same way we took it apart. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to... Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.